Does this signal a change of stance from the president?
Who really knows? It's Donald Trump that we're talking about. But I mean, certainly in cases like NAFTA, he's had a change of heart. ZTE, he's done what some would say is a flip-flop on ZTE. North Korea, he changed his mind on North Korea. He's changed his mind several times on the trade discussions with China. So it is a possibility. And certainly when you talk to business operators here in China, Chinese businesses, but also foreign businesses, there is that hope that they cling to still, that this is a negotiation tactic and that Trump will walk back some of these threats. The problem is, if they are determined in the White House to effect concrete change around China's industrial policy, there's very few signs that China is likely to budge on that. And areas where China had seen to be making some concessions around market openness and increasing imports from the US, those areas and those agreements have now, particularly between the US and China, have of course been shelved as a result of these threats. And China has made no signs, or come out with no signs, that it's going to be changing or making any radical concessions around these trade tensions as yet. So we wait, and certainly operators here, businesses here, hope that there'll be a change. Trump saying that he wants to see reciprocal change, reciprocal trade between the two nations, and that the trade issue has to be dealt with.
Tom, with all this uncertainty, how's this playing out when it comes to investment flows from China to the US?
Well, this is really interesting. So Rhodium Group have been crunching the numbers on this. They say that in the first half of the year, Chinese investment into the US totaled about $1.8 billion US. That is more than 90% down from the same period in 2017. And that is the lowest amount of investment from China into the US in 7 years. And in fact, into the first 5 months of 2018, Chinese businesses sold about $9.6 billion worth of assets. Now, that is partly as a result of these trade tensions and partly as a result of the policies here around de-risking the economy and pressuring conglomerates like H&A and Wonder. But it is certainly having an impact.